Hello student. Now we are going to start class for integration. I shall complete integration minimum 10-12 part. First you have to know what is integration. Integration is anti-derivative. Integration is anti-derivative. What is derivative? d dx of fx. Fx is a function of x. Fx, suppose x square plus 5x. So f dash x equals to 2x plus 5. Derivative of this. Integration is anti-derivative of fx. d dx of fx is f dash x. What is f dash x? Is derivative of fx. Integration of derivative is fx plus c, where c is arbitrary constant. What is integration? A function fx is called anti-derivative. A function fx is called anti-derivative. This is fx. Anti-derivative means integration. Anti-derivative means integration. Where c is called arbitrary constant. Arbitrary constant. Anti-derivative is integration. Now, so first of all, we have to explain. We have to know few formula to do integration. The formulas I am telling here one by one. Integration of x to the power n dx. Integration of x to the power n dx equals to x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. D dx of x to the power n is n x to the power n minus 1. This is integration, this is derivative. X to the power n derivative is this. Integration of sin x. Sin x integration is minus cos x plus c, where c is arbitrary constant. D dx of sin x is cos x. Positive. Sin x derivative is minus cos x. Integration of cos x. Cos x integration is minus sin, only sin x plus c. So d dx of cos x is minus sin x. The integration of sec square x. Sec square x integration is tan x. Integration of cosec square x minus cot x plus c. Integration of tan x sec x. Tan x sec x integration is sec x plus c. Integration of cosec x cot x. Cosec x cot x is minus cosec x cot x integration is minus cosec x plus c, where c is arbitrary constant. Integration of cosec square is minus cot x tan x. Integration of 1 by x log x plus c. Integration of e to the power x dx is e to the power x plus c. Into the integration of a to the power x dx is a to the power x by log a to the base e plus c. A to the power x integration is a to the power x by log a to the power x plus c. Integration of tan x. Tan x integration log of mod of sec x plus c. Integration of cot x dx is log of mod sin x plus c. Now there are a few formulas. First of all, first part, integration of first part. This is first part.